Welcome back. Now time for the business day. Fuel prices are going up effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.56 more. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will increase by $4.50 per litre. Propane will, however, decline by $1.44, while butane will increase by $1.22. Now, each gas station will make these adjustments to prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. And that's your holiday edition of the Business Day. News from overseas are next.